Yeah. Good. What time is it now? It's 5 o'clock. Today is what? Today is 19th of September 2025. Good evening to you all. It's me. You guys know who I am. Ify. Hmm. Um as na na gịnị ka esi atụ ilu a hapụ na amachaghị m atụ ilu bet m ekwukazi awa anaghị agba ọsọ ehihie n'efu kọ ya ka esi atụ ilu a proverb. Okay, so how are you all doing? I have a program to do now, because I just don't understand what is going on with our people. Sometimes when I'm just like this, I would say, these are our people. Are they really? I don't understand them at all, at all. Please join me. Join me, join me, join me, join me. Join me. Join me, oh. Are they really fighting for Biafra struggle, for Biafra freedom? Are they really fighting for Biafra freedom? Do you sincerely love Biafra freedom, or are you enemy of Umu Igbo? I don't know. Are they really genuinely fighting for our people's freedom? Because this, if you are saying you are fighting for your people's freedom, the things that you guys are doing, sometimes I feel like, are these people really, really, really fighting for our people's freedom? I have this guy here because I saw a post. I'm following, I do follow. I do see what people are doing. I see what people are posting. This guy, they call him Gaius, whatever his name is all about. I posted something on my Facebook, and I said, why threatening him? Why saying he's scamming people? He's doing that. He's doing that. Ndi Igbo, Umu Igbo. What is his offense now? Yes, some of them say he said something wrong. Somebody say there is something he said when he visited the World Igbo Congress or whatever. He said something that he's supposed not to say. I said, okay, I want to listen to what he said. That he said something about IPOP, this, that. Hi, is that why? Is that all? So they now brought up his whatever his business that he's doing, Bitcoin business. What relates Bitcoin and whatever you are doing with your freedom? They now brought it up and say he's scamming people. You see how you guys are doing to yourself. When other tribes are now saying that you guys are scammers, you are the same people that will come up and start fighting them. This guy is doing business. He's a business guy. He's doing business. If he's scamming the Nigeria or whosoever, if he's in US and scamming them, they will go after him there, isn't it? If he's in Nigeria and he's doing the scamming, they will go after him there, isn't it? There. So why must you, as a freedom fighter, say that he's scamming people? That you brought up whatever he's doing. I have listened to his video. I have listened to what he said. I didn't even kind of like, I didn't see anything much. I didn't see anything wrong. Let's say I didn't see anything that causes you, the leaders of this freedom. Those are called themselves the leaders, DOS. Those, I didn't see anything really wrong in what he said. What he said is the fact. Our land is destroyed. Our land is not the same anymore. He said that they should stop giving money to people that claim they are fighting for our freedom, because Mazi Nnamdi is not there any longer. So if Mazi is not there, the person I will genuinely trust, because I believe I trusted Mazi Nnamdi, any other people I don't trust any longer. Why will I be giving people money? Why will I be donating money online? Why will you be donating money? Do you know that those people are donating money, whether they are really genuine on what they are doing? Why will you be donating money? So according to him, according to what he said, let me play this thing now so you guys can listen to what he said. I'm coming. Let me play it. Where is that? Okay, now here. Now listen. Oh God, no volume. Okay, sorry.
And youth have most villages in Igbo today are empty, with no one living inside. Radicalized and youth have run everyone, including elders, out of town. We see 10-year-olds carrying AK-47 guns. guns. These 10-year-olds have succeeded in chasing out the elders and women out of their ancestral home. But guess what? Yes, many of you will not be happy. The reason why you will not be happy is that many of us, I will say us, seated here today, Igbo aspirants, many of us have been fingered for sympathizing with these radicalized young people who have turned some parts of Ali Igbo into Afghanistan. So this my talk today might not be sweet, but it's time for self-reflection. If you have ever sent money home to support any secessionist group, I want to inform you that sadly, the blood of our people, many of whom have been killed by these radicalized, homegrown terrorists, is on your head too. Sadly. Stop sending money to anyone who promises they will give you Biafra. These people are leveraging your pain for their personal gains. Wake up and smell the coffee. Wake up and smell the coffee in the Igbo. For years, external forces tried to destroy us, but couldn't. But now they have succeeded in using some of us to destroy ourselves. So we must all rise up, raise our voice, and speak against insecurity in our Igbo. And it begins with you sitting down here today, the Igbo diaspora. It begins with you not sending $10 to anybody on social media who are promising you that they are going to bring Biafra.
Exactly what the guy said. What he said is 100% correct. I'm telling you my own. No. He didn't say that you should stop. Oh God. No.
Dangerous.
Most villages in Ali Igbo today are empty, with no one living inside. Radicalized armed youth have run everyone, including elders, out of town.
What this guy said, is he not saying the truth? Is it
I think.
What am I playing?
Because I want to LPOP. I think in them, Mama there. Man,
10-year-olds carrying AK-47.
Okay, perfect.
Where is
this voice coming from?
You know, Omele. Video post online. Online. Facebook. So I've got here. I've got here. You got lost also near
7 guns.
I'm having 2 double voice here. I don't know what is going on. Okay, I delete them. I'll come back here. Okay. So what the guy said? Does it not make sense? How much have you paid? How much have you all contributed, given to our people that say they are fighting for our freedom? How much have we all contributed when most of you that are still contributing? You contributed when Simon Eber said he's going to give us freedom. We didn't get it. We are contributing after they took Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they renditioned him. Most of us still contributing. Where have you gotten the freedom? So what he said it makes sense. He said we should stop giving our money to all these online people that's claiming to give us freedom. We should stop giving them money, because the money we are giving them, we are not seeing anything they are doing. They are using it to be enriching themselves. They are using it to be killing our people. Again, this guy didn't say anything that is not true. He didn't say anything that's not true. All what he said makes sense. If you go to Ali Igbo now, our land is nothing to write home about. It's nothing to write home about. The people you are giving money thinking that they are going to give you freedom, how are you sure that these people are genuinely giving you freedom? How are you sure that they are sincere of what they are saying? How are you sure that what they are saying that they are going to do, they are doing it? So what is the point of you contributing money, giving to them? And at the end of the money you are giving, some of them are using these bad eggs that we have, that they say they are fighting freedom. They are using it to be commenting our people or laughing our people. Is it right? So what is it that he said here that has become a problem? That everywhere they are sharing, DOS leadership are sharing, and his people, the people of DOS are sharing everywhere. What he said it makes sense. That we should stop, people of diaspora should stop giving money. Before we have ESN, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu established, and the ESN is no longer there because of fighting and quarreling and the not agreeing and disagreement is all gone. So who are you giving money to? Those people that are running the affair, we are not united. Everybody is doing whatever they feel to deserve. How many who do you trust they are giving your money to? That is what tell you that what they are going to do is what they will do. So why are you fighting him for what he said? He didn't even call anybody. He said stop giving these people. He didn't even mention IPOP name. So what is the issue here? He didn't mention IPOP. He said stop giving these people money. Why do we have to be giving them money? Why do people have to give people money? For what? To give them money to be doing all manner of evil? Those people you are giving money, do you even know who recruited them? Do you know if they are really genuine fighting for Biafra freedom? Do you know if they will come at the front and tell you they are fighting for freedom? Do you really know whether they are fighting for freedom? Why do you have to? The person that we join this struggle with is a Mazen Nandekano. He is not there any longer, and they are not talking about him. All they do talk about is somebody that we don't even know what, he's just saying stop giving money because he has investment back home, and they are destroying our land. They are destroying our land. If he said it, is there anything wrong that he has become an issue? Why would he not? He's making his own opinion. Because what is happening on the ground, nobody will like, nobody's happy. Nobody's happy unless you are the kind of person that like what is happening in Igbo. You are happy, you are seeing the way our people are being massacred and destroyed and houses burned and people died. People like Nigeria government and Nigeria military are coming down because of you guys are bringing them. And they will come and you guys will not protect our people and they will massacre them. They will destroy them. They will kill them. The guy said what he said, and then the leadership that's supposed to be focusing on how to release, how Mazen Nandekano that is not feeling too well. They are not talking about Mazen Nandekano. The dualist leadership are not talking about Mazen Nandekano is in detention, that is not feeling too well. All they are not sharing and the sharing everywhere is about what this guy said, which makes sense. He says, stop killing your people, stop giving your money to these people. In that they're using the money to be destroying the land, and it's 100% correct. What is it all about? Do you want people to come and say didn't I say we should stop giving our money? Didn't I say we should stop giving? Anybody should stop giving, even those guys that they're recruiting. I said you guys should go home and rest. Yeah, the Mazen Nandekano, the person that we know that is there for our freedom, is no longer there. All these are people that say they are representing Mazen Nandekano, they are fighting for. We don't know what they are doing. They are not sincere. They are not truthful. Why must you give your money to them? The guy didn't make any wrong thing.
Most villages in Igbo today are empty with no one living inside.
Exactly.
Radicalized armed youth have run everyone,
Radicalized, and that is true.
Out of town. We see 10-year-olds carrying AK-47 guns. These 10-year-olds have succeeded in chasing out the elders and women out of their ancestral home. But guess what? Yes, many of you will not be happy. The reason why you will not be happy is that many of us, I will say us, seated here today, Igbo diasporans, many of us have been fingered for sympathizing with these radicalized young people who have turned some parts of Igbo into Afghanistan.
Exactly.
So my talk today might not be sweet, but it's time for self-reflection. If you have ever sent money home to support any secessionist group, I want to inform you that sadly, the blood of our people, many of whom have been killed by these radicalized, homegrown terrorists, is on your head too, sadly. Stop sending money to anyone who promises they will give you Biafra. These people are leveraging your pains for personal gains. Wake up and smell the coffee. Wake up and smell the coffee in the Igbo. For years, external forces tried to destroy us, but they couldn't. But now they have succeeded in using some of us to destroy ourselves. So we must all rise up, raise our voice, and speak against insecurity in our league. And it begins with you sitting down here today, the Igbo diaspora. It begins with you not sending $10 to anybody on social media.
Exactly. They are not sincere. They are not giving us any Biafra. These people that you see say they are giving us Biafra, none of them is giving us Biafra. They are using Biafra to be scamming you. They are using Biafra for scamming you. They are deceiving you. Stop sending them. Stop giving your money to them. All the ones you all contributed to Simon Ekpa. What happened? Did you give you Biafra that he promised? Did you not say after 5 years I will give you Biafra? Did it happen? It didn't happen. Did you not say Biafra Ojukwu did not give to you? I will give it to you. Did it happen? Then is it the DRS you guys are going to be contributing money to? Why are you giving them money? Stop giving them money. None of them deserve your money. You work hard for your money. Don't give them because they are not sincere. They are not sincere. You don't have to give money to any of them. Use your money and support people back home that you know they are suffering. Stop giving these people your money. They are not sincere. They are not accountability. They are not genuine fighting for freedom. They are not. What is all this? He didn't say anything wrong that deserve you all guys. Now you guys are making him popular. They're very well done. He said the right thing. Why must you go give money to people that you know they're not sincere, they're not accountability, the money that you paid, what did they use it for? All the money we paid, what did you guys do with it? We don't even know. Why must I be giving more money? What is the one we paid for? We don't know what you did with it. What did you do with it? Look at Mazin and Kanu that is there now suffering. Look at none of you guys doesn't even care that he's suffering in that DSS junction. He's not feeling too well. He's sick. What are you guys supposed to do? Don't you know what to do? People that say they are fighting for freedom. Okay, let me remind you. You say you are fighting for freedom. You know what to do. Nigeria, Opus Odinjo came out last time and saying Nigeria government lay a pipeline from our place to so place. Did you guys say that you guys are fighting for freedom? Go and blow that pipeline. Did you manage to do it? No, you didn't do it. You didn't blow that pipeline so that the Nigeria government will call you all that are saying you are fighting for freedom on round table to sit down. You don't have a bowl to do it, but you have a bowl to go and be fighting our people. You have a bowl to go and be kidnapping our people and be telling them to give you money. And if they didn't give you money, you permit them, you unlife them. That is what you can do. But what you're supposed to do for you to get this freedom you guys are saying you are fighting, you are not doing it. Is it our people that kidnap Martin and Khan? Is it not Nigerian government, the federal government of Nigeria? They did it. Why are you not going after them and leave our people alone and stop destroying our land and stop killing our people? Whoever that said it is saying the right thing, but you guys don't want us to say the truth. What is wrong with you? Ngozi Rabeze has told you guys to go and buy. They say he bought whistle too. Okay, let me tell you what you guys will be doing. Listen, this is the whistle Ngozi Rabeze bought for you guys. I don't know whether if you blow this whistle, whether he's going to, if you blow this whistle, whether the armies will come, the whistle will chase away the armies, or the whistle will chase away the Nigerian armies or the Fulanis. I don't understand that he bought whistle for you guys that are contributing money to her, contributing money to her. She's not self-acclaimed prime, whatever she called herself. You guys don't even know that Ngozi Rabeze is working for you. You are done for. You are killing. Shout. Say our prime minister, our DM, our this one, what is the whistle for? I'm asking you, what is the whistle for? For blow the whistle, and then the army will hear you blow the whistle. Again, which I told the dinner. No, this is Gariba. No, no, freedom. Oh, Ngozi Rabeze have come now to show you guys that now not only NC party. When we are saying to you guys before, you guys didn't listen to us. Now you guys are now he has all the NC party that belongs to which the Zamfara. They are now praising her. You guys are sharing it. You guys are now sharing it. But that time you guys refused to share it. You guys did not listen at all. Now you guys are sharing Ngozi Rabeze NC party. I'm coming. Let me charge my phone, my laptop. Oh no, not that. You guys are not sharing it. But when we were telling you, you didn't want to listen to us. Ngozi Rabeze bought whistle. Go and be blowing whistle. Blow whistle. Then they will come. Who is going to send? Who? Is it not sending? It's not putting a trap for you guys. This is a trap. Who you gonna? The mother, father. Ngozi Rabeze group, all these groups say they are fighting for freedom. Tell them to withdraw. Let them go home. Me, that is my own. If they can be, let them just go home and stop. They are killing our youth. ndị yutu anyị anwụchana one ya afọzi ndị Igbo fọziri one. These children came out with sincere heart to come and fight, to see that we are fighting for freedom. As it stands, so we have noticed that these people are telling us lies, that these people are not sincere, that these people are not genuine. All they should do is to withdraw, go in, rest. Biafra ya bịa mgbe Chineke si na ọ ga-abịa, ọ ga-abịa. Anyị ga-enwe ya mgbe oge ruru. Because na ihe niile ha na-eme rubbish. Nwee ndị na-ekwu eziokwu, ha niile bụ ndị asị asị. They will go and collect money from all these politicians. I will come here and be telling you one story or the other. You are believing them. They will be working with all these Nigeria politicians and all these national community. They'll be telling you Biafra is coming because they are using Biafra to be scamming you, and you believe them. Why can't you just stay in your house? You have died enough. Our youth have died enough. You guys are believing in Gozo Arabese, believing okay, believing all these people. They are talking nonsense. Monday to us, honey, when Keman of honey, all of them. You believe them that they are going to be the one. The Biafra is coming. They give you Biafra. Okay, then we are still here. We are still here. The right thing they're supposed to do, they are not doing it. The thing that they support, all of them that they say crying and seeking, they say they are fighting for freedom. Nigeria, all these politicians are walking around. No, they have no ball to do nothing. And some of them are calling Mazin and kind of Mazin can never send them to do any evil thing. Mazin and the Kanu never send them to go and kwame anybody. He never send them. He said, onye ọbụla gburu onye Igbo ọbara Igbo dị ya n'isi okwu ya. Ọsọ hụ unu jeje zubohi. Ọsọ hụ unu je kidnap ndị Igbo. Ọgwa hụ unu ya. Mana ọgwa hụ unu ọbụghị na ka esi enweta freedom. Those people that's calling Mazin and Kanu, they leave him alone. Unu akpọzina ya n'ọnụ, hapụ na ya aka. Onwe mgbe o jikwa ndị Igbo ha ji egbube onye Igbo ọbụla were ji egbube nwanne ya. Onwe mgbe o jikwa onye Igbo ọbụla. He didn't say to any Igbo person to go and kidnap your brother. He didn't say any Igbo person to go and do evil. No, he didn't. Those of you calling Mazin and Kanu name, leave him alone. I heard one. Hey, you all are here. Look at the person you guys are attacking, the guy. Look at the guy, you guys in DOS. DOS, you guys are shameful. Very, very shameful. I'm ashamed of you all. Let me play what Udele said about your leader. But you are all here. This guy never called Mazin and Kanu. He never said if Mazin come out, he is going to wait. He's waiting for his release. If they release him, he will come out. This guy called Udele. I will play it. I have it. Listen to what Udele said about your leader. DOS people that is sharing the one of this guy said something. This guy said that he stop giving money to all these people claiming they are fighting for freedom. Let me play the one Udele said. Listen, this is Udele. This is which one Udele said. Have you not seen, what is that his name? Real name? What is that his real name? You might know, let me play, you know the person I'm talking about. No, look. Mm-hmm. Look, let me play.
You want to lick the creamy yogurt from
Look, let me play.
Inch of lid, but you can't.
Oh, advert, come out. Advert, go away. Advert, go away, because they play Yakahano. They play Yakande US, no? Hana, she and only one. Mana Hana, teaches Hana, look at the local Basra Mass and the can. They are not listening.
How helpless will be looking when they say they release the car, we go buy a missile from front of it, no go pass that Maitama.
Unano?
You hear me? You no go cross them. Make them say they want to send them to hospital. Unless we don't get the idea, we go buy them for this Abuja.
Yeah, you do hear.
If the SS arrest me, make them arrest me. Say the one, make them try them. We go buy them.
You see? Did you hear?
Come on, for that, we go buy them. We must buy them.
You see?
By any means necessary, we go buy them. The people will be beaten and the security will be scattered.
Did you hear that? Do us.
It's good, make them buy them legally.
Yeah, Nano.
Whether they buy them, the country is not even up for debate. He go buy Oga. When they give a Google no care. We are in the zoo. He must remain in the cage. We don't get everything we want in the zoo. We are a zoo. So the Bonobo must buy there. Sure that they hear me so. Nina zo hades and Dara, hades and Dosho, hades and Dashawo. Whichever way one in a boom, you will not remove it. He go here and there. What do you tell him? Oh, Ganuri road there. All right, even with the months of total money,
depending on your time. Is this not Udele? Kadafia? It's about for this guy. Hey, what is that his name? Hey, what is that his name? What's that his real name? Because Chuku whatever. Is it not him? Udele, but we call it Ijele. Is that not Ijele? Is that not Ijele's voice? DOS. I'm asking you a question. Is this not Ijele's voice? Have you guys? I don't even know that guy, yo. That guy that I posted. That guy that you guys are sharing around and talking and attacking him and saying all manner of things. I don't even know him. But this man now, is this not Ijele that says that Mazinand can put good in a happy and put a jebel no make sure na Mary here open Emeria no ga happen na ga make sure quite Ijele do I soon and honey and can one here one that one Jen after Ijele one oh this man na-ekwusi na make an Igbo do udo na churu udo na Igbo no na for investment na Igbo. He want peace. He want an Igbo to be peaceful. And they said he's even has investment in an Igbo. It is him that you guys are now sharing everywhere. But you have forgotten somebody that threatened your leader. You will say this one doesn't make, this one is nobody now. But did you hear what he said publicly? That he's going to come on a leader. No, because no say apatano no go. Now you make sure. Now imuna gonde ya ni apo eme. Imuna gonde na back here up. What have you done about it? No, this one doesn't make sense. You can't do anything about it. All of them that is talking about Mazin and how they would destroy them. Or are calling Mazin. Have you guys said anything about it? No. It is somebody that says that please, he's advising the Igbo people. Because stop giving your money to these people that is promising us freedom, because they are not giving you any freedom. Don't give them any money. He didn't say he's going to Kwame Mazin and Kanu. He didn't say Mazin and Kanu will die in that prison. He didn't say Mazin and Kanu will not see life. He didn't. That man didn't say nothing. He only said that the destroying of an Igbo is not okay. It's not good. That those in Biafra, those in diaspora, sending their money, they should stop, because what is happening in Biafra land is unbearable. You can't hear him. You can't hear Ijele ranting. And you guys, when we talk now, you will come and be threatening me and be saying, if you shut up, you why not a week. But when I hear week be Ijele no. Ijele kwa ya gaga kwa. Oh God Almighty. Ijele na Biafra Biafra land. Because no game mommy am kinikom. Uno hapo kwaria, we make you meria. Unu meria. More than you want to na agwu nu ihe anu na-eme, not the bad, not the home. Una anyị makunu yeji we na threaten. Unu bia if you shut up your mouth, you are this one. Mana anyị na agwu nu eziokwu, because na achọ eziokwu. Ijele now is passing telling you all, the fight freedom fighters, people that love Mazin and Kanu, you love him, because the guy said no more people should stop giving money to all these people, claiming they're fighting for our freedom, that they are not giving us freedom. Ngozi Orabeza, okay. We are not giving money. Nobody everybody don't give them any money, because we are not seeing anything they are doing. We are not seeing their incompetent leader. They are all incompetent. My Jews are incompetent. Only put out now, like Yezo, my and our own here. Conkenden can go to our business and how you go to buy whistle, then Igbo wisi ndị Nigeria abịa fụ na ebe unu na-eburu unu unu na-ezitu ka unu amatu wee na-enye unu federal ndị Ngozi Orabeze kun so enye unu federal Chineke mgbe afọ na bụ ihe afọ debe anyị gịnị na-eme ndị Igbo eme megodu Ngozi Orabeze enye unu freedom ọ na-etobekwana ya unu na-eprezibakwana ya ọkwụ na-akụrụ isi president Simon apụkwara n'ụlọ Ngozi Orabeze and oge ha take it over. Continue, we are going to give you freedom. Oh, you will give us freedom. Ndị nzuzu ndị na-amaghị ihe. Common sense, I don't know who has bewitched you in Igbo. Who need the freedom? Sense, think, and then my hair. Because you want to be free from Nigeria. Yes, all of us want it. But use your common sense, use your brain, and know who people are telling you lies. They are giving you no freedom. Keep wasting your money. You look at, I had that how much cash I had $50,000. I don't even know who gave her $50,000. I had her saying to one prophet, so all the things you prophesied to me that I will arrive, I will be this. So this is what they are here for. They want to claim leadership. They are here for, I will be this one, because they thought Simon is going to give them freedom. That is it. They thought Simon is going to give them freedom. So they have already planned that will be minister of this one. When the Simon freedom comes, they'll be minister of petroleum, they'll be minister of finance, they'll be minister of this one, because they are not genuine. They don't want freedom. They're not genuine. They are all here for what they want to gain, money and power. These people are not, if you ask me, they don't even contribute money, but they want to get power, they want to be. Our own is to tell you guys the truth. Continue listening to all of them. Continue dashing out your money, wasting your money. Continue. This guy did not do and did not say anything wrong. What he said is 100% correct. He did not say, he said, stop giving you guys your money. Stop giving those in diaspora. Why go Kenya Charaha Hajj going one he use when it was in the buying? Hapuzi ha kwesịrị ime bụ ije na all these pipelines in the Nigeria. Ọ bụ ka anyị fight freedom. Ịma ihe ahụ that thing ịma na ọ ya ewute Nigeria ime ya. Have they done it? No. Did they have a ball to go and say their Nigerian pipeline? We are going to this pipeline that connects Nigeria, connect our or the oil from here to Lagos. We are going to blow it. We are going to destroy it so that in Nigeria will come and round table and sit with us and let them release our leader. Did they do it? No. All they are good at is to go and be fight, killing our people, innocent people. Now another machine. Now another machine. Now motor. Now bring money. When you know what the hell go there, people are even suffering too. If you don't have the money, they will come you have bupugi. Oh yeah, couldn't be fight. I be to go no fight freedom. Only couldn't fight the freedom. Only they couldn't fight real. You guys don't want us to tell you the truth, but we will tell you all the truth. Truth is truth. We will tell you. You are not fighting for any freedom, Biafra freedom. Leave us, our people alone. Go after federal government of Nigeria. You cannot. Leave our. You are destroying our land. You said look at Olu is gone. Where again is gone? What is the name of that place? Okigwe is gone. What all the place? Where is them? Anambra, which side? How many of places in Anambra side? Osumeyi is everywhere. They are not. Our people are living home, running away from their houses. We have become like in the Yoruba. Oh, I heard that voice. Oh, that one called Gentle. I was shocked. That one called Gentle said he said if he catch 6 people, he said one of the 6 on the have Igbo. Or see one the 6 here. Then hapo phone nyapo ko jeje kube sit on the Fulani na dey Igbo. Yeah, with that voice sound and not gonna defend there. Now say it doesn't matter no kuriambo one okuriambo one okuria. I have camera here. Man the 6 ha buru onye ka obodi. Kwandi Igbo ka ha ka ndo ebe. Kwandi Igbo man the 6 ya. Is it not? Are they not Igbo people? Those 6 people, are they not Igbos? What is wrong with you all? If you are fighting for freedom, go after Nigeria now. You know where they are. Don't you know Nigeria military? Nigeria, where they have the Nigeria, this. You know what to do. Must you be doing this into our people? What is their offense? Why are you fighting for them? Who are you fighting for? Who are you fighting? You want to finish them all because you're not fighting freedom. Is that how they fought other people for their own freedom? Ngozi Orebeze has given, this is now, you guys are there shouting, okay, it's giving you freedom. Ngozi Orebeze is giving you freedom. Well, my mother Abu have their own, my mother Abu have his own group. And the DOS now, group DOS, they have how many people have gone out from them? They are still there shouting, structure, obey command, structure. Incompetent command, incompetent leader. I should come and obey them. How could I obey them now? How could I take all the money they give them? These people, it's only Mazin and Khan that I know, that I trust in this struggle, not anybody. I'm waiting, praying, I'm waiting for Chukwu Biko. I know that Nelson Mandela stayed long in prison. No problem. All I'm praying that Chukwu will keep Mazi alive. I'm doing every necessary thing I am. My sacrifice, I say, maybe I may be a carbon, I say, make a Mazi do I am there. Kamazi waiting to call and what kind of people are you? How can you be fighting freedom? You guys will not let Igbo rest. This man now is saying he's going to take his business out from, and you guys are saying take your business out. Did you employ anybody that will be giving our people food? You are giving our people employment? You are not saying we don't care. You are doing online. Is online business not online? You are the one now bringing him out, saying he's a Bitcoin, whatever. He's scamming people. When the Yoruba people, when other tribe now say you guys are scamming, it is you now will come and be fight, but you are the one bringing him out. What did he do wrong? I even saw a post he posted. He posted a post and said he named his child Ohamadike 1. That means it's not even against their freedom. But everybody is tired because we have seen that you are all scammers. We have seen that you are these people that you guys are not sincere, like our leader Mazinat that is paying sacrifice. You don't pay sacrifice, you are all there to scam everybody. Okay, all of them and they do as soon as they not try and say none of you giving us Biafra a lie. Now they tell on that. Now who cares? We don't give us Biafra because we are not seeing you guys giving us Biafra. What kind of a thing is this? This guy Ijele is there now. None of you they do us. None of you that is attacking this guy. This guy is even good guy. He has a business in back home. Does Ijele have any business that he employ people? No. But you are leaving Ijele. Ijele is threatening to Mazna can come out. If they ever let him go to the hospital, they will go to that hospital and give him poison and give him water pepper to Mola. This is what you say. Even if they will arrest me, let them arrest me. You guys are not talking about that one because he might possibility near because all the Obra wicked Mazas too much. Only are not Mazas. Did he call Maz's name? Did he say Mazin and Kanu will not come out? He only said, don't stop giving people your money. Those in diaspora, stop giving your money to these people. They are not giving you Biafra. They are liars. They are liars. Did he call US name? Did he call anybody? He said he generalized his talk. That is how he generalized his talk. He didn't mention the US name. Didn't mention Ngozi. He said all these people that he said they are fighting for freedom, stop giving them your money. And that is true. Then you guys now bully and easy. Because you know, I also is no matter is no ego. So they go on with the when the jail no when I alone when I scam when I enjoy only wuto no also the matter is no there. He's getting on they pay on for heart. Because he said make people know they give on. Instead they pay all of them. Because he's not saying that people should stop giving their money. So you guys are not happy. You came out and started attacking him, fighting him. What for? What for? Why are you attacking and fighting him? Why are you saying things about him? Now he said he's going to take out his business from Umu Igbo, and you guys didn't even provide nothing for Umu Igbo. You provide in the matter for Umu Igbo. What's not your business here? Oh, it's some people are saying, come home and invest. Come home and invest. Come home and build. Stop going to Yoruba land. Stop going to your Lagos. Stop going to Abuja. Now the guy even invested home. Now he said he's going to take his hand. Hey, you do what? You guys want our land, but you need to go get to destroy your Igbo. And Igbo was founded by our ancestors. Destroy. Destroy. You are here sharing. Somebody call himself a leader. What he share every time he's sharing about this guy. But he that says he didn't even tell your IPOP members in the US. IPOP, look at what he say. He say if they release the mass, he's going to not get no for treatment because I'm not Chile. Morendo to Hana, Lunde Mazasi. No, Jeba, poison. Only this person that didn't say. He didn't threaten to kill Maz. He's the one you guys are sharing because he said we should stop giving them our money. Yes, now he's right. Why would people be giving them our money? Are you giving them freedom? That is it now. A way to distract Biafrans. So they will not even. You see, Maz. How many of you are talking about this Maz? Have you said how to keep telling Nigerian government to let the Maz and kind of go to treatment? Or you guys have had the one that the guy said, stop giving money because you own the nature ego. You are using Biafra to be scamming us. Biafra name to be scamming Igbos. You guys want the money. So you have heard about money now. You see, you didn't heard about money. You guys are waking up. Because you want people to be giving them money, couldn't they live their lifestyle when they live. If you tell me that is not why you came out to be attacking that guy, tell me if it's not true. Why will you attack him? Did he attack him as? Did he attack your IPOP leader? Did he call you guys scammers? He said, he generalized his talk. Say, those giving money to these freedom fighters should stop giving money. And that is true. Because all the money people donated to Simon Ekpa, where is the freedom he said he's going to give them? All the money they donated to who will I, which one will I, where is the freedom he said he's going to give? You know, didn't give. That he promised 5 years, I will give freedom. It didn't happen. Master Kano is not there for us to be giving money to. So why would people be giving DOS money? Why? Why will you give them? Would they do account? Would they tell you what they're doing with the money? How do you know what they will be using the money to do? The one we gave before, where is what did you guys do with all of the money? You and Nanya has quarreled. Nanya took some of the money. We don't even know what happened to all the whole money we paid. So why do we have to be giving you guys money for? For money for what now? Because you guys want, and we know that freedom, hold it. Because you guys are not sincere, hold it. We don't hold it. What kind of a thing is this? We not fight freedom. We not fight freedom. Fight freedom. Fight freedom with sincerity. You cannot fight. Fight freedom with accountability. Fight freedom. Everybody is a saboteur. Everybody. Look at what they are threatening that guy. Look at the way the members, the DOS followers are threatening the command and control followers. Command and control. We must obey what they say to us. Because we don't have sense. When you tell us something, we cannot reason. We cannot ask a question. You say, okay, you must not. Then the command and control is now fighting the guy that didn't do anything to you. He didn't say nothing to you. He didn't even attack your leadership. And then the one they call Chinas and Woru posted it. Start sharing it. Say this guy, the best thing you can do now is to go and be finding people that the guy scam. Instead of you to concentrate on your leader that is sick. Are you guys normal? Are you guys normal at all? They tell you that your leader, because you are fighting even the Maznan Kano lawyer. Which one do you are not fighting? Everybody fight. Maznan Kano lawyer, you guys are also fighting them. They're calling them name. They are this one. So which information are you getting from your leader now? These people that are supposed to give you information about him, you are fighting him. You are fighting them. Are you guys normal at all? Leadership, incompetent leadership of DOS. What kind of thing is this one? Me, I'm hot now. I'm sweating. Sweating. Listen to me. What is this all about? What kind of people are you? Ngozi Orebeze is claiming to be leader, leading you to destruction, leading you all into destruction. Mothers or fathers will not let your children join any of them. Say they want to go and join Biafra army or Biafra whatever. Not let them all. Your child is going to die now. You will die. Those people that died, where is there any hope, anything they set up for you for them to say those that have lost their husband, they have children, will be paying them so amount? Nothing for them. Nothing. All what they have lost their life in vain. So why must you go and join? Say these people are going to get you freedom. Biafra, you join them to giving you money. To that they are going to fight. They are not fighting with genuineness. Don't join anybody. Stay in your house and rest. Stop youth, our Igbo youth, stop joining these people. They are wasting your life. Igbo youth, to stop joining these people. They are wasting your life. Onye nwụọ na join is na ha na-enweghị anything ha na-eme. Ha na-atụ asị, ha bụ ndị asị ejighị eziokwu na fight. Maazị since eji kidnap Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, I don't have ihe. We are not seeing light. We are not seeing headway. They are not making any headway. Most of them hate Maazị. They even want him to die there in the prison. Most of them don't like Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. They want him to die there in the prison. Why are you giving them money? Keep your money. Give your family. Keep your money. You're wasting money. That what that man said. I supported him. Unu na-enye ha ego assistant since maazị unu na-enye bido na-enye ego after ka unu macha na ego unu na-enye maka unu Simon maka unu na-enye ndị a n'unu na ndị a na-atụ asị na ya eke na-enye ha ego ihe ndị ọbara ndị Igbo niile ha na-egbu ọdụ unu n'isi ihe that man kwuru ya asọpọtụrụ m ya that Gaius ọbara ha ndị Igbo ọdụ unu n'isi unu niile ya akwụ ụgwọ ya don't worry unu ga-akwụ ụgwọ ya mgbe chukwu unu ya nwụ unu akwụ ụgwọ unu ya Erikanet back bịa taba afụfụ ya ma gwụ ya unu Erikanet back na-ata afụ ihe unu mere ọ gịnị dị ihe nka Igbo life is so sacred unu na-egbu ndị Igbo na-egbu ndị Igbo na Biafra ya abịa na gịnị mere leader unu na-follow so unu if anybody kill any Igbo person na Biafra ya ha abịa onye gwa leader unu gwara unu. Did he not tell you? Did he not say it? Say na na-egbu ha ka na nwụ onye Igbo unu jeje nara ha machine unu jeje nara ha moto unu jeje nara ha sị na kwa gwara m unu ka si Simon and Azuka I had told you how Azuka said told our people and otu I heard the thing. See, how could he tell you guys to go and some of them left. Most of them left and said they cannot continue. They can't do this. Most of them left the camp and said they cannot do this. Now this is not the Biafra they joined to fight. They left because Abraham has said, "Oh, what are you guys?" If they ask for the talk to go after the Fulani, that time Fulani no, that time because I am asking because some of you guys we don't even know the truth anymore. They told them, "Why are you asking us for money? Why can't you go and kidnap, take money, go and kidnap some people and get their car and get their truck and get their bike? You don't need money." They told them, Azuka told them like that, which I know also Simon also will say the same. So what are you talking about? Simon otigide or singing on with the Nigeria army land thereby Highland Hana, wine, upon houses. At the end of it, what happened? Look at the one they call. Listen, because in their voice in here. Listen to this one. Listen to what they call Gentle. Gentle went to a meeting with Hope Uzodinjo. Went to the meeting there. He did not even say, "Hey, the Hope Uzodinjo, the only way I can stop whatever I'm doing is for you to release the mass." Hope, this Gentle did not say it. This guy called Gentle did not say it. I heard the voice. I was shocked. But he says he's fighting for Biafra freedom. He loves mass and can. He did not tell that hopeless man, my only condition that I'm going to give you is release our leader, Mazdan Kano. He didn't. All he's asking for is and the Guinea, Kenya also, and the pipe. Kenya was asking Ogora hopeless is a danger. He could not even tell them, the people that claim they love Mazin and Kano. He did not even tell hopeless danger. The only condition we have to stop whatever I'm doing is for you to tell your people, because hopeless danger is in the APC. Talk to your APC to release our leader. That is the way I will stop. Let me play that voice because I was shocked when that man said it. That man said it. I listened to that man. Listen to it. Let me play it. Where is it? All of you stay there. Think that these people are fighting for your freedom. These people are not fighting for any of your freedom, Biko. They are fighting for which person's freedom? They are fighting for their own interest, not my freedom. Listen, I think this is the one. Is that the one?
Office Imo State. Office Lagos. Lagos. But how in Imo State? Lagos. We didn't have such group agitate to block other than we need your office in Imo State. But
nothing.
Oh no, Gentle. We got a meeting with Governor Opus of them. In that meeting, on one more demand, if no, he never even demanded for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. On our Kurono, Yanime Broka, Yoku, the Sivu. But Bayana
hopeless.
He never talked about it. Brothers make are you aware?
Oh.
So you want to show we hate care. Where can I get green leaf?
Oh.
Igbo. Yes, don't give me car. Yeah, go guy. Yeah, stop for that message. I will analyze that video. I will analyze it.
Analyze it.
I want to tell me analyze it because because of Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man played that video, was a kind of saying, no, not government has sponsor. I will tell Very Dark Man, they are sponsor.
We want to know who are the sponsor them. Who sponsor them?
Only if you go to sponsor, only if you go to Ashibute, we know them. I know all this thing. So I'm going to make a video, analyze that meeting which is what goes on the map. Go on the end of that video. Reveal here. Before in some of the broken, I will do a detailed analysis. Topic gentle the Yahoo versus mass meeting. One no detailed movement. So all no again, but don't know that these guys never met well. I want to catch a talk Biafra. You start from I'm gonna about 4 options how a country can be secession can be done.
I supported you, my dear. About talking and such of Biafra. He went the person that he say he's fighting, that he's calling all of us, and some of us that is not supporting whatever they are doing. He's saying that to us that some of us, but he has opportunity to see hopeless of Ginger, governor of Imo State. He sat there. He did not even say the only thing that will make me to stop whatever I'm doing as I'm doing it is for you to tell your APC government, which you are part of it, APC, release Mazi. Then I will stop. Did he mention Mazi there? No, he didn't. These are the people that are saying to you that they are fighting for your freedom, and you want to be giving them their money, that they are fighting for freedom for Mazi, fighting for freedom. They are not fighting for any freedom. These people are not. They are fighting for their own interests. Some of them have collected money from Nigerian government. They have collected money from the Nigerian government to be destroying our land. That is it. Because if it's not, he cannot tell you to go, and he cannot go and be buying whistle and be telling you, cannot be blowing whistle, telling you, blow the whistle, that you should be blow the whistle. And then when you blow the whistle, the Nigeria army know where you are. They will come after you. He cannot be telling our women that if they come out to protest, they should not tell their husband. I had that one, I shocked. So that when they kill you, your husband will not know where you are. And Blamona, not gonna they listen to them, not gonna they carry on money they give them. Not gonna they fight for, so believe that they are fighting for your freedom. None of them is fighting for your freedom. The only person me I trust in this freedom fighting is Muslim. Apart from that, no other. I know they trust anybody. I don't trust anybody. They are all wolves in sheep clothing. They are all liars. They are all deceivers. They are deceiving you. They are destroying an Igbo. They are paid agents to be destroying our land. They are paid agents. All you have a paid agent from the Fulani. The Fulani that they now Fulani said that's what is the point of us them coming? We know that we know how to get in the Igbo. We will use them to destroy themselves. Fulani, that's why they are no longer coming to our land, because they now know that they have people that they are going to pay money, because in the we know these people they call themselves Igbo. Most of them are not Igbo. I keep telling you that. They are all Fulani mixed blood. Only Igbo can never collect money to destroy an Igbo to kill his own brother or sister. Can never happen. Can never happen. So continue listening to them, continue following them, continue donating money to be destroying our land. If you're a genuine Igbo person, stop giving them money. If you're a genuine, you love your people, you care for them, stop giving them, stop donating money to these people. Keep your money. Give our people, give it to your people that are suffering back home, because they are suffering. This freedom is not now. Keep praying for Mazi release. Keep doing whatever you do for Mazi release. It is only him that we know that is sincerely fighting for us. Any other person, they are all liars. I say, because at least up to now, he has not betrayed us. The Nigerian government keep going to him, telling him, stop agitation, stop telling him. He said, no, I will not do it. It is the only one I trust. Others are all liars. And when all of them are doing chike those DOS. When anything when any Biafra they are not getting us. More and with sincere heart can this thing. If you continue paying their money, keep giving them the blood of those people that the Nigerian government are bringing and be destroying our land is on your head. What kind of a thing is this? What kind of people are you? If you can go to a base, you need to no freedom. If you choke, it's not Amaka fight freedom. Let them go and do this pipeline. No, hopeless is saying that Nandi they are leaking our pipeline from here to here. Don't you know what to do with it? How about pipeline? They don't know where it is. How many Nigeria government ever freedom? I just sit in her down. We can't be able to do that one. Then which one are you going to be doing? The one of going to be kidnapping our people and of the process you are killing them and collecting money from them and life. That is the one you are good at. That is the one you can do. Then stop now, because you don't have a bow. You can't fight it. Whenever we are ready to fight for freedom, we know. Stop deceiving our people. You will know you can't afford to do all such things. Then what is the point of you getting angry that this guy is telling you that we should stop giving money to for all these online scammers, online people scamming people that say they are fighting for freedom? What is the point of, why are you fighting him? Why are you angry? All the money we gave, what did you do with it? All the money what did you do with all the home money people contributed? Simon Ekpa brought Ngozi Orabeze. Look at it now. Ngozi Orabeze is destroying our land. Destroying our land, which is the group in Kokretri. They are not fighting themselves. The young people, this one, will not be fighting in Ngozi. What kind of, and this is our youth. This is our youth. Our youth are dying. Ndị Igbo na-anwụ. And they were their kidney, and they were their liver. Na-eme kosi ha ma. Nne na nna unu ekwesịna ka ụmụ unu banye na any freedom si na ha na-eje fight. Unu ekwesịna ka ha banye anywhere si na Biafra liberation or Biafra nke ha banyezina. Stop sending their children to them. They will die. Ha na-anwụ pay. Enweghị any compensation a na-enye ha. Ndị nwụgoro anwụ enweghị any compensation. There is no compensation. The children are there dying and crying. Oh, come on, Papa ha ga-adị ndụ jee na chọba nri wee na-enye ụmụ ha. The children are dying of hunger. There's no food, nothing for them. You are still going there. You want to go and join Biafra Freedom? Okay, go join now. Join and die for nothing. Rubbish. Me, I'm done my own. I have told you my sincere heart. I have said my own. If you like, take it. If you like, come here, abuse me, finish me, I don't care. You abuse not to take anything from my body. Here I am. You know they come out nothing. I am still here telling you the truth, telling you how it's supposed to be. Whether you like it, you don't like it, I don't care. My own is to let Ndi Igbo know that these people are deceiving them. Those that have sense, those who might hear, it doesn't matter, it's our money. It is our money. Keep wasting it. But let me tell you, the blood of those people that these people are doing this evil to come after you. I'm telling you. How can somebody go to meeting? Even telling you, hopeless of injury. Mama Zinankanis must be released. He's there looking after looking for all you were to get, looking for whatever to smoke, weed to smoke. You were someone and that is sincere. They are fighting for your freedom. Hey, Chineke, all of them that are online, they are all online making money from you, because the more you view them, the more Facebook will pay them. What are you doing to yourself? All of them, they are all they are all liars. That one, Adanjojo, France. From this group to this group, all are prime minister, all the disappointed. I heard her saying, "Oh, so all the freedom, prophecy on Kenapowi and Kenon online, the one, all of them that are prophesying, Biafra, telling Sharp Simon ever, the bad, Biafra is coming. Oh, you give us freedom. Oh, I have seen you. You are the one to give us freedom." So today, they are all crying. Where is Simon ever? In prison. My own is to tell you, don't listen to them again. Don't give your money again. Keep it to yourself. Enjoy your money. Give your family. Give those that are hungry. Stop giving these people. They are scammers. They are using Biafra name to be scamming you. That is all I say. Good night and take care of yourself. Bye. If you have said that. See you later. Bye. And Mazina Kanu. Okay, Kero Wagemeki is na Akandi Roputa. Okay, Mezu. It might take time. I am a humble game. And Chukwu agahe fail. Chukwu Igbo agahe fail line. Because Akagi Docha, what you have in your mind is for your people's freedom. You are not doing anything wrong. You only ask for your people's freedom. But if you're going to, have you seen all these people that say they hated you, the way they are showing their hatred towards you? I hope when Chineke Mebele is not kanda akota, ihe ụwa ga-adị mma. By God grace, Chukwu ga-ewepụta gị. Aka Chineke dị n'ahụ gị. That's why everything they have done to you, you are still standing. And I believe that Chineke kere ụwa ga-emekwa ebere. This thing they say is happening to you. Chineke bi n'igwe, eke kere ụwa, Chukwu Umu Igbo, aja anyị Igbo, ndị ancestors anyị, ndị Igbo na ndị egede, biko nọ, jenu jee wepụ ya. Jenu jee mee ka maazị dị ndụ. Jenu jee mee ihe unu kwesịrị ime, n'ihi na ama m na spiritual control physical anyị na-ayọ unu. Ka maazị Nnamdi Kanu ghara ịnwụ na prison ahụ. Ka ifere wee mee ndị iro, ndị niile wishiri ya evil, ka evil a return back to them. Ijele na ndị otu ha, ndị niile wishiri maazị evil, let that evil they wish maazị return back to them 100-fold. Ise n'aha Chukwu okike kere ụwa, n'aha aja. Ndị niile wishiri maazị Nnamdi Kanu evil, because I want my people's freedom. It's not wrong for somebody to agitate for freedom when you're in a place that is not favorable, when you are a place that is not what you think, it's not right, it's not that you didn't do anything wrong. But those our betrayer, sell out, they will never have peace in their life. Them and their generation, they will never have peace. They will all reap what they sow. Don't worry, they will reap. Okay, I'm done. Thank you so much for coming in. Yes, Mary Ann Mohammed, thank you all. Help me share this program. They don't want people like us to tell them the truth. But we are out to tell the truth. They want us to be painting, we're telling them that, clapping for them when they are doing evil, when they are killing our people, when they are destroying them. It's not going to happen. We will still come out one and say, well, talk about them, talk about it, this thing, warn our people to desist from them. Stop giving them their money. They are all liars and scammers. They are not deception. They don't love you. Even if you think they love Umaznaka, they don't love Umaznaka. They are all pay agents destroying our Igbo. That is what they do. The outside people, the Fulani have rested. It is them now, because the Fulani have paid them all. They know why we know the way to get Igbo now. Let them be destroying themselves. We know how to get them. With money, we buy them and let them go and be destroying themselves. That is what they are doing. That is what they're doing. Stop giving them money. These people are not sincere. Thank you for coming in. Love you all and remain blessed.